answer any questions that you might have, and hang out. But what I'm most interested in is knowing if you people are interested in joining an interest group, and we keep moving this forward, because as you can see, we're probably all going to come up with some different methods as we start figuring out what works for us, and it might be dependent on where you put it or how many people are going to be using it. But I hopefully got everybody past the idea that this is not rocket science. I mean, you could literally make it as simple as just pooping in a bucket and burying it with sand. It's going to be a lot harder to compost sand, but you know, it is possible.
Simple's a good thing.
And I did want to reflect on some comments made earlier. We were discussing doing this for homeless people. I've heard people discuss doing this for rock concerts, and one of the problems being is that even in a group of 25 people here, if we needed essentially 3 buckets for every 2 people, that would be around 42 barrels that we would need for this size of group, and there are hundreds of homeless people around, and that would require active composting. We would need active composting clubs and interest groups, and that's exactly what I want to do. So if that's something that interests you, please come talk to me and make sure I have your information so that we can make sure that you know about our next composting toilet reskilling event. So I'd like to thank the permaculture team and all the support I get from Transition Joshua Tree, the Heart and Soul folks, and Susan over there. She's a great organizer.
And our next meeting is this Wednesday. I'll be emailing the agenda and the location tomorrow. So if you're interested, please get your email address down on the assignment.
4th Wednesday of the month?
Except for this month.
Can I do
4th or 3rd?
self-promotion?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
If anybody wants to buy sawdust, I put the 55-gallon bags with my shaper and my planer. It's really fine sawdust. $20 for a 55-gallon bag.
What type of wood is it?
Cedar and pine mostly.